Do you like to eat rice and beans? Yes, you do. But you don't know how to make it? No worries. Today I am going to show you how to make some tasty rice with black beans. Stay tuned. Welcome to Robie's Cuisine. In this channel, I share my cooking, baking, and healthy food tips recipes with you. So if you're as passionate as I am about cooking and you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and make sure you click on the notification bell so you will stay up to date with all the new videos. This rice with black beans recipe is simply tasty. Let's go over the ingredients. I have some olive oil, Haitian mixed spices, salt, compline seasoning powder, garlic powder, coconut milk, Lilly butter, a bouquet of parsley and cilantro. I have a scotch bonnet pepper stuck with cloves, my rice, and my black beans. Make sure you check the description for the measurement. And if you're wondering about the Haitian mixed spices, I made a video about this. Make sure you check the link to the video and check the YouTube card. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. The first thing we want to do is to boil our black beans. So I have my pot. I have approximately 10 cups of water. I have my 1.5 cups of black beans and some salt. So all you have to do is to add I already rinsed my black beans. I'm gonna go ahead and add it into the water and put some salt. And I'm going to put it on the stove and let it cook. It usually takes approximately an hour and 15 minutes to cook. I approximately boiled the black beans for an hour and 15 minutes. So if you press on it, you notice it's soft, so it's cooked. And I use a strainer to drain the black beans, and we're gonna use that same water to cook the rice. Let's go ahead and cook our rice. So you want to go ahead and put a pot on the stove. I have my volume on 7, so my pot is already hot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. So just go ahead and follow along with me. boiling. Now, let's go ahead and taste it. I'm gonna add a little bit more of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the rice. So our rice is almost dry. You want to go ahead and turn your volume down. I have my volume on 5 now. Oh, this is so pretty. This is beautiful, guys. This is gonna be good. I have no doubt. Look at this. Wow. Just gorgeous. The rice is dry. The cooking process is almost done. Go ahead and turn your stove on a low setting. I have mine at 4. Go ahead and cover your pot and let it cook for another 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes. Let's see the result of our rice with black beans. Now go ahead and remove my scotch bonnet pepper. It is beautiful, very fluffy. Go ahead and remove the bouquet also. Your parsley. This is the final result of our rice with black beans. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you get to try this recipe, let me know how it works out for you in the comment. If you're looking for more videos like this, make sure to check out my rice with lima beans. I'll make sure to post the link in the description below and in the YouTube card. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another episode of Robie's Cuisine. Bon appétit.